Big up Crosses TV.
So Crossy TV, you need to run with that now, man. You need to run with this now.
Cheap ass phone then. That's what you should do if you have an issue. I don't really answer you motherfuckers in the comments because you know what we do? We always tend to the negative motherfuckers, but we don't answer the positive motherfuckers. Where we don't answer the people that fuck with us. But you see, look at fuck out people on the fake page. If you really want to argue with me and have a good time, you come up and show you look a stinking fucking face. Because somebody hurt you when you were small. So me can walk and talk about myself, my loudness and take everything. But Unuh have to hide behind page. Imagine turning a grown ass person behind a fake page typing to an individual what Unuh no blood clot like. Then again, me over bling page. So you come over here for bling, yes? Or no? But the sad reality of it, bling now kick me and feel like a fuck out fake page.
Right now, so. Me no look me long.
If you not coming on the real page, don't
No,
call
them
me
need
name because me
for
fully blood
sending blood
clot,
clot
man.
requests and talk too. I like
Right.
to see people. My mother taught me. That's why you see. You know, see, I never eye them about the eye, and I eye them the back them heavy. You want to know why? I was taught to look at you motherfuckers while I'm talking to you guys. And you still like how to make me rip off my blood clot eyelash, Miss Blink, off it your
Look
charity for me later.
here. Too much salt. Too much
No,
salt. You have to
this is
cut down on the
genetics.
salt, me
My
love.
granny has these. My mom has these. We all have these. Don't tell my daughter right now have
Oh.
these. It's not salt. I don't eat salt.
Oh, it's a family. Yeah, the family.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Remember, I said my great granny is white. Unfortunately, she mixed. No,
Put on
don't
my
say unfortunately.
phone.
Huh?
Some girl fridge empty and them house
Oh, we
empty and
are
them
cause.
don't get pay. Me am a bumble clap money when me get $1,700 yesterday. Me get pay. My shopping was $900 worth of food in my house. Yeah, live life. Some girl there England. I drink dirty water. Go sell water, bag juice under the
I'm
clock of
auntie
England.
cause.
Yes, no one did me rub out her
You
dirty. Nah, no hole.
can you believe the two of them
She
was
come out of puss
friends?
camp. Me not look on them.
No, me never in a camp.
You,
No, me don't come out of camp, Momo. She
Me
will tell her,
tell
no, me never in a
I
camp.
know.
Never. Everybody will tell you that I
Me not
never come
tell
oh,
out
me
of
nobody.
think
push
you did in
camp.
our camp.
No, I'm add on when she want to rub people and she can't manage the war. If she tell the truth, no, I never. Me then I'm a camp from me a thief. Ask baga baga.
You hear
Me
about
a,
from
when me a
yet?
thief the man them, yeah. When me met the man them
Yeah,
sleep with the
that's
jinx
why.
ring. Jinx
That's why
ring,
I come.
yeah.
That's why I come. What you say, Chris? I don't give a fuck who them could have near my body hole. If him want cam up, him cam up. Me no look on them too long. Me answer them and me make them look like fucking idiot when me done. Me love to cuss them intelligently. Cause right now me no say you can't bring not even one blood clot view over here. And if you come truck through my pussy on a rainy day.
You know, said Jay ever cuss
I will my
somebody in
cuss
a
now.
comment? Me not see. I know my
Me,
love. Some
But me
girl come
me
say
like
say,
one
me
Jay
say,
thing.
me
though,
say
me
him
not
or
gonna ever
any might
lie.
as well turn back friend.
Jay, Jay, somebody want me
Jay
always
blood
know, but
clot.
him not really fuck with me and trouble me. Jay not fuck with me.
Him
Me never
just
see my,
feisty.
yeah, me never see my type of nothing bad about me yet. I mean, I violate him. I had an argument other day, I just stay tight. I mean, no say friend and friend warrant
Listen,
him.
you in the comments, you let the fuck out. My for say my advice to people will show them face. And apparently that's not you. You have to cams up and talk to me. Cause remember say when me over here and I get paid, but you over here type for blood clot free as a fuck out. Watch out. Who fear blood clot? You not even have 100 blood clot. I follow 100 people. Just 21 you follow. I'm gonna block your blood clot no too. Well a block. You get free up later, soul. Come here,
You're
you
a,
know.
you're a Momo, you black the person?
You mean? I saw our new thing me start the black and then let them unblock. I blink teach me that one there. But on a real fake page, I like to argue with real troll. On a real troll this. You know, sister a fake troll, the money I follow 21 blood clot people. I'm not even a follow real people and me can't see either. I'm not follow like 100 people. Me is not a professional blood clot troll for my answer. Me not like that. And let me say something now. Now me I go see if a Chris Page. This how you see if it's Chris Page now. And a Chris, well, not connected to that.
Well, go on, Queen.
You might distract the war. We not black people like that, but you have to come over here. Not now go on to your customer battle wall. So Susie, the war now go on. It look like it now go on.
She not gonna warm up, you don't understand. Puss cannot warm me. Puss voice is old. My voice is young and strong. I mean,
Hey, con
yeah, quick.
Magnum.
Yeah, but
Con
one question. Yeah,
Hold
try
on,
to
let me
auntie.
put on pan one banana.
I feel
No,
like
no one see how she do the condo, but me friend. Come on.
Jesus.
Hold on. Watch out the condo. So now robbery. Oh God.
This is my baby.
So why the flavor can?
You want to see them?
Yeah.
For them. All kind of them. I don't want flavor.
Condom here.
Nothing. All this one I flavor to girl. Them.
Can it all go swallow?
All of them.
Susie me free. Somebody definitely I can post blood clot. Me get fucked now.
Hold on.
Susie saying that robbery like
No. Just a good magnet. Just feel oily. It's oily. This one don't have the powder or on it. Just feel oily.
So them up on condom.
Yeah, like to feel powder. The one me can take in on my own. But me so hold on. Give me 1 minute. Demonstrate how I do it. Hold on, guys. In my kitchen.
You know,
I will
say
1 o'clock.
blink.
No. Enough 5 minutes to go.
Hold
Now go
on.
to the school.
Hold on, let me demonstrate a little bit. In my kitchen.
Man, this need crowd. I guess you can show us tonight how to suck a condom food in condom. Like how to suck in condom.
Oh.
How much they use it to block?
Hold on. Look, guys.
My teeth.
This is
I know what
this is
the life.
the condom on.
Sure.
So for you to get germs in your vagina, by penis. So you don't want to catch germs by you don't use a condom, right? You can't catch it in your mouth. What I do, I put on the condom because I don't want no germs inside my mouth. So I do like this. 1 minute. Don't leave. No, don't leave.
Bring up two. You have to hurry up.
Hurry up.
But I don't never depend. Look a while.
Yeah, she put it down with her mouth.
Okay.
But you're supposed to pinch it. Inch, pinch, leave an inch. Planting that. I'm going to take bad with my water bottle. Yeah, there. A contest I go to Judah said come back later for Susie crown.
I can't take my crown yet.
And I mean, you somebody said listen, but me say later.
Listen. All sweet
Judah quick.
What?
Shady about people in a death threat. Like, who kill you now, Shady? I see your mother off live, yeah. your mother.
Now beat me.
Yeah, what? You would have come over here. That's why Chrissy always a blood clot cause you must would have come up here.
For true. Hey, watch that.
Right.
Yeah. But you got
One that
you gotta be
Bling over all of the problem, picnic them. I'm
listen.
Right.
Hey, for true, you suck dick in real life.
Block it.
All right. Listen,
Block
but
it.
you
Post it up on
gotta
your
stop
page.
sucking hood with condom. That's not good for you. Okay.
No, I stuck with condom
Know your story and
because
post it
I
on
don't
your
want no
page.
come on my chest and you got baby.
Come on your chest. That's the best thing. Hey, you're not nasty.
Man, I like that. No, cannot. Listen, I mean, say you're supposed to swallow and the picnic them playing in your belly like
Momo, tell her, Momo.
No,
tell
I don't do that. Me do it professional.
No, that's not
yeah,
professional. That's
my
rookie.
mouth is professional.
Well,
No, that's rookie
me,
mouth.
I'll make my
your
husband
mouth
bust
is-
by my face in your ass sitting down. Why do you
Momo,
think
that's your thing. My mouth is professional.
A rookie mouth that.
What you mean professional, Suzie?
Use condom. That is professional.
No,
you don't want no drugs in your mouth.
Condom. You only need.
But Susie, how the man
feel the same way. I'm doing that for years and the man
The
No,
come
platinum
on everything.
do you know?
No,
Come
sir.
on everything. Come
No.
on a regular thing that I used to do that.
No, sir.
Years me I do that. The man still come.
He must be like 50 or something.
Young boys too.
No, I'm young.
So lately we got have a J Kingdom. So lately you can't give $100 for one so good contest.
Momo, you can't beat me in a so good. Me I tell her that, Momo.
Yeah. We can have a suck hood contest. Watch it. Why?
Suzie,
you
they
can't.
call me goat throat. Calm down. I'm trying to behave.
Now this is my. Hey,
I'm trying to behave.
Momo.
Me I save the action for later.
Momo,
what
what
you
you talk about, Momo? Momo, what you talk about?
What that?
Here they.
Everybody, blink. Don't worry, you don't have to block me.
Momo, use go throat. I can't beat you, Momo. Momo, I'm just.
My throat different.
Momo, I learned off for you.
My throat, me breathe through my ears, you know.
Momo, I learned off for you, so don't please.
God.
Susie, you just tried to kill yourself on Instagram Live.
I don't know who the fuck is Craft, but if my favorite Craft is okay.
There you go.
Yeah,
what number fucking Momo?
and stop taking all the condoms from the health department, Susie.
Yeah, don't Momo. I just want to look at comment section. The top like
No, me, hey, listen, me have to lock off the camera. That's why I go here. Me must do that.
Yeah.
I want to.
Yo, wait, you don't afraid over here fuck with Momo?
8 o'clock, people. 8 o'clock, you will know how to suck penis in condom and condom suck.
Right.
Oh, I have one girl named Thickness too.
But for the food sucking contest, me need to collect $500.
Hey, so Jay, you come host later and give her money?
Just send whatever you can. It don't really matter. Take a picture of the cash app, Zelle and PayPal and send it. Me not get the money.
You come later, Jay?
Yeah, I like to watch y'all
How
women.
much you contributing? Because you're the big spender on here.
We'll see. Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday, Momo.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, guys. So 8 p.m.